Hello, I'm Jim Bridenstine, Administrator of the U.S. National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA. Since the beginning of civilization, humanity has been fascinated by the power and influence of our sun, and has struggled to unlock its many mysteries. Over the last several decades, NASA and researchers from around the world have harnessed space technologies to bring us closer to understanding our star than ever before. I'm delighted that the UK Science Museum's new exhibit, called The Sun, Living with Our Star, will tell these stories and engage many more people in the amazing science of our sun. NASA and the UK have partnered in many ways to study space, including the Solar Terrestrial Relations Observatory, or STEREO mission, which has helped us understand how forces from the sun can disrupt satellites and power grids. I know many of you are as excited as we are at NASA to see what our recently launched Parker Solar Probe discovers when it arrives at the sun. The Parker Solar Probe will travel through the sun's atmosphere, closer to the surface than any spacecraft before it, facing brutal heat and radiation conditions and ultimately providing humanity with the closest ever observations of a star. NASA is also working with the European Space Agency on ESA's Solar Orbiter mission, providing instruments that are currently in the UK being integrated with the spacecraft that will support NASA's Living with a Star program. Both the Parker Solar Probe and the Solar Orbiter missions will improve our understanding of how and why the sun varies, how the Earth and the solar system respond, and how that variability and response affects humanity in space and on Earth. These missions will also provide key information to support the US and UK approach to better understanding space weather. For over a century, the UK Science Museum has told the story of science and helped inspire the next generation to make its own discoveries. NASA appreciates its long-standing relationship with the museum. Congratulations on this exciting new exhibit. Ad Astra.